Driving home the point. Mastering the art of emphasis. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the English language and its nuances. Today, we're exploring an interesting and widely used phrase, drive home the point. Understanding this phrase will not only enrich your vocabulary but also enhance your ability to articulate your thoughts with precision and emphasis. So, let's get started and unravel the layers behind this expression. When we talk about driving home the point, we're referring to the act of emphasizing a particular idea, argument, or message in a way that makes it very clear and understandable to the listener or reader. It's about making sure your audience not only hears what you're saying but also fully grasps the importance or significance of your message. This phrase is commonly used in both formal and informal settings, from academic discussions to everyday conversations. The expression, drive home the point, uses the metaphor of driving something, in this case, a point or idea, towards a destination or goal, the listener's or reader's understanding. This imagery can be likened to driving a nail into a board with a hammer. You apply extra force to ensure the nail is securely in place, just as you would emphasize a point to ensure it sticks in the mind of your audience. To illustrate how drive home the point can be used, let's look at a few examples. In a debate, a speaker might reiterate their key argument with additional evidence to drive home the point of their stance. A teacher explaining a complex concept will use simple, relatable examples to drive home the point and ensure students understand. During a marketing presentation, the presenter might highlight customer success stories to drive home the point of their product's effectiveness. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in various contexts to highlight and reinforce the core message. And that's a wrap on driving home the point. We hope this video has illuminated how powerful this phrase can be in communication, helping you make your arguments more persuasive and your messages clearer. Remember, mastering such expressions can significantly enhance your English proficiency and your ability to express yourself effectively. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Keep learning, and keep exploring the depths of the English language.